Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have a delicious breakfast recipe that is super quick and easy to make. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So guys, we finally did it. We passed 200 subscribers. So guys, like always, make sure to punch that notification bell, and if you are waiting for that giveaway winners, we're going to announce them on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that video. And if you haven't entered already, you still have time. Go watch our previous video, like that video, comment down below what you like about the channel or either that video, and you'll be entered into that giveaway as well and have a chance to win. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. So guys, today we're making some delicious vermicelli upma. So to start, what you're going to do is you're going to take a pot, fill it with some water, and then put it onto your stove with some oil, about a teaspoon or so, and a pinch of salt, and then you're going to let this come to a boil. You can cover it with a lid to help speed up the time that it takes for the water to reach boiling temperature. Once your water is hot and close to a rolling boil, add in 1.5 cups of dry roasted vermicelli. You want to make sure you use dry roasted, because if it's not dry roasted or cooked a little bit beforehand, what's going to happen is your dish is going to come out very mushy and soft, and we don't want that. And then you're also going to add in 1/2 cup of frozen peas and carrots. You can use fresh if you have them. We're just going with frozen just because it's really quick and easy and simple to use. We're going to be cooking these for about 5 to 10 minutes or until our vermicelli is cooked. Now you may be wondering, what is vermicelli? It's a thin type of pasta, usually made from rice flour, and it's a little bit thinner than what spaghetti would be, so you could compare it to, let's say, angel hair or capellini or something like that. So once our vermicelli is cooked, we're going to strain both our noodles and our veggies from the hot water, and then we're going to place them into an ice bath. So this is going to do two things for us. First, it's going to stop the cooking process so that our noodles don't become too mushy and our entire dish doesn't become too sticky or slimy or anything like that. And then two, it's going to make sure that our veggies also stay nice and crisp and don't get overcooked. This recipe is super easy to make, and it's really simple, and it can be made during the weekday or the weekend, and it provides a quick and delicious filling breakfast that doesn't make you too tired or, carb loaded afterwards. After about 4 to 5 minutes, strain your noodles and your veggies again from the ice water, and then into our pan goes 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. To that, we're also going to add in a pinch of hing or asafoetida powder, and then we're going to add in 1/3 cups of chopped onion and 1/3 cups of bell peppers, also chopped. So both your onions and bell peppers can be roughly chopped. They don't have to be too fancy or precise. You just want to make sure they're like bite-sized pieces that you're putting into your breakfast recipe. Next, give your veggies a nice little saute and give it a nice mix. And then once they've been cooking for about a minute or so, you're going to add in 2 green chilies finely chopped. And then after about a minute of cooking, you're going to add in your strained vermicelli noodles and your peas and carrots. Next comes our seasoning. So start with some salt to taste, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch or 2 of red chili powder. Give this all a nice little mix until your veggies, noodles, and spices are all well combined and blended. Give it a quick taste once you have mixed it, and then you can add in some more salt if necessary, and the same goes for your red chili powder. You can play around with the amount of red chili powder that you put in there, because if you like something on the spicy side, you can add a little bit more, and if you can't handle spice, you can add a little bit less. The great thing about this is it's very customizable, and you can match it to your own taste buds and liking. Then give it all a nice mix and add in juice from half a lemon, and then again give your entire pot a quick little mix. And there you have it. Our quick and easy breakfast is all done and ready to enjoy. You can top it with some fresh coriander. You can throw some lemon juice on there, whatever it is you feel like adding, and you're ready to taste. So guys, here's our delicious breakfast recipe. I am so ready to dig in, so I'm just gonna eat it right now while it's hot. Guys, it's so good. It's a little spicy, it's a little tangy, but it's not like too heavy, so you can still go out and do stuff after this. You don't feel like you need to take a nap after you have breakfast. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. This recipe turned out delicious. It's one of my favorite breakfast recipes that is super simple and easy to make and perfect for a weekend's day. So guys, make sure to try it out. Let me know how it came out for you and keep on cooking.